Okay, so let's see where my teeth are. I'm gonna try this. What number is that? Like right there? Right there? Somewhere in here? Let's see. 7 or 8? Hmm, 5 or 6? 6 or 7? Okay, we'll see what it looks like after. This is one of those TikTok made me buy it situations. Her video was very convincing. That's all I'm gonna say. It was very convincing. And I only have one arm, so hold on. Okay, oops. In regular looking, I think I'm like right here. Like a 5 or 6, or what number is that? Yeah, right there. 7 or 8, maybe. Okay, so you take this off. I didn't read any directions. Let me do that. Okay, so we're gonna, oh gosh, I keep turning it on. Let's see. Comes with this little syringe tip. You do just kind of spread it in here. It does have little marks on it, so you know how much to put in there. You don't want to put too much, because I'm sure if you put too much, it'll make your teeth sensitive, even though it's supposed to be for sensitive teeth. So you just spread this. I'm not really pushing, I'm just kind of holding it steady. Because I saw the girl that I watched on TikTok kind of spread it around, so we'll see. Okay. Did I even use it? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So I think I went for, okay. All right. Okay. So I did it twice, 10 minutes each, and then I brushed my teeth. I did spit out some gel in between it turning off, because saliva just builds up and I can't stand that. So I spit it out. So let's see where we're at. We're probably in the same place because, you know, I'm gonna have to do this in natural light next time, but in the daytime, but I feel like it's a little brighter, actually. Huh. I feel like I'm closer to this one, which is number 4. And now you can really see how crooked my teeth are. Hmm? Hmm. Hey, that one. Shoot. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. That one. 4. So, dang it. Am I in the right place? I know this is taking too long. I'm sorry. Hmm. Yeah. I feel like they did get a little lighter, actually. I can't wait to see how far this goes. So, I'm not going to do it in the morning because I just did it tonight. So what I'll do is I'll do it in the morning when I get up to brush my teeth so I can have some natural light come in. But yeah, so that's the first thing. TikTok also made me buy this. Unsmelled, never having smelled it before. And the girl's reaction was like, I was at home, I'm on medication for my shoulder, blame it on that. Um, but I was like, I need to look up what this smells like before I just order it. Um, and then it said something about vanilla and something else, and I think it said patchouli. So, of course, once you had vanilla and patchouli, I was sold. But this bottle is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it is the authentic one. I did check for the hologram when I got it. The bottle is gorgeous. And it does have the writing on the bottom. Of course, I did order it directly from the link that she sent me. I think that's upside down. From the link that she sent me. I can't read it because it's in Arabic and probably Sanskrit and something else. But this bottle is stunning. And then it also comes with the little spray, travel spray. And that's what I smelled. I hadn't even opened the bottle yet. But it does smell so good. It smells so freaking good. So look this up, the Harim Al Satan. It smells so good. And it does have a note of vanilla. And I maybe do smell patchouli, but I could be mistaken. But yeah, it smells amazing. And the link that she sent me, or that not she sent me, the link that I used on this girl's website, on this girl's TikTok, also gave me like 20% off or something. So it was even more discounted than what the regular price was, which is the only reason I buy these things. The teeth whitener was also discounted more so, and it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. The perfume was like 24 or something. And both were free shipping, so, you know. Yeah. So I need to get off this medication and get out of this house, so I stopped buying stuff online. But yes, I would totally check this out if I were you. And try the My Smile. It's not a big investment. And you get 3 vials of this stuff, of the bleaching. Oh, crap. You get 3 vials of this and the teeth whitener and these little tips that go on it. And and it has a charger, and it charges with this special charger. So it has a USB link charger, and it supposedly is waterproof, so you can put it in and then use it in the shower. And you're only supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes. I did 2 cycles, and it does beep when it's done. So you don't, I kept checking it, but it beeps when it's done, so you don't have to do that. But anyway, yeah, that's it. We'll see how this goes. I'm so bored at home. I can't stand it. Peace.